So you've probably been optimizing your videos, maybe your title, your description, but there is one tiny settings that most creators, especially small and growing creators, they completely ignore. And this setting could be something that has been holding back your views, holding back YouTube from recommending your video. Now, there is one thing you need to understand about YouTube recommendation, right? Now, when you post a video and you see that video getting lots of views, and you see that most of those views are coming from YouTube recommendation, what this basically means is that your videos are actually getting to the right audience faces, not just people that will see your video, swipe past, people that will see your video, click and they watch. Now, these are the right audiences for your video. And when YouTube start recommending your video to the right audience, that is when you start having the views. That is when your watch hours start increasing. Now, this setting has actually been right under your nose from the very first day you uploaded your first video to YouTube. But creators actually swipe past it, because I noticed this from my students. Okay, when I'm telling them, okay, this is your settings, go to this thing and turn this on, they're like, does this actually work? Does it matter? Oh yes, it does matter. These very tiny and most ignored settings matters when it comes to getting views, getting YouTube to recommend your video. Some of these people, after not attending to these particular settings, they will be like, oh, YouTube is not pushing my video to the right audience, or YouTube is pushing my video to the wrong audience. That could be because these particular settings, you've not attended to it yet. Now, here's one truth you need to understand. I've actually tested this myself. Like, I've ignored these settings and move forward with my uploads, and I've noticed like my videos do not get recommended. Some actually get views, but there is no single YouTube recommendation. And when I turn these particular settings on, I notice like there is a drastic change on my video reach, and also my video being discoverable. Now, here's the best part of this video. I'm not just going to tell you where this settings is, I'm also going to tell you which of these settings best suits your kind of niche. Now, this applies to any type of niche on YouTube, and I'll also be listing your niches and tell you how to put this right setting to make YouTube recommend your videos and also make your channel discoverable. Without wasting much time, hit that subscribe button for more helpful videos like this. Let's just get right into this tutorial. So to access these settings, you're going to go over to your YouTube Studio desktop site. So you can actually access that through your browser. So I'm just going to head over to my Google Chrome. So my Google Chrome, I'm just going to type YouTube dashboard. Now click on the first option, which is this one. Now it's going to take me to my YouTube Studio desktop site. Now this is my YouTube Studio desktop site. There are actually two ways you can do this. Now, if you've already posted or uploaded lots of videos on your channel, you can still go back to these your videos or your content and still change these settings to the one that suits your channel or the one that suits your niche, if that makes sense. That's for the first option. Then for the second option, you can do this when next you upload your next video. So I'm just going to show you both of them. Now the first one is through the videos you already have. So when any video you have on your channel currently, you can go back to them and change these settings so you don't have like mixed audiences, like this one is about something different, this other video is about something different. So make sure that your video have just one setting, especially those that are in the same niche or people who are niche down. I don't know if you understand. If you have just one niche on your channel, then do this for all of your videos. All the videos you've uploaded, do this. Now this is for my own content. You go over to this part that says your content, which is your videos that you've uploaded. Click on it. Now it takes you to this part where you have all your videos. So this is zoomed in so you can see it clearly. Now these are my videos. I'm just going to click on any of them. Click on any of your videos. Now over you, let me zoom in, zoom out rather. So I'm just going to scroll up this part that says show more. So just going to scroll down to this part that says show more. Click on it and swipe up just after your short remixing. You're going to see this category setting. Very, very important. You're going to see this category settings. Now you see under it, add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. Now you can see I'm just going to click on this drop down menu, this one. Now you can see different categories. Some persons, some creators do not know what category their niche falls under. But I'm just going to show you this before you upload your next video so you can understand what category your video or your niche falls under before you upload. Now, here's one thing you need to understand about these category settings, okay? Your category doesn't directly boost your views, but it's going to help YouTube to understand your content niche. YouTube mainly relies on your viewers' behavior, right? Like the watch time, the click-through rate, and engagement. But this category still plays a very supporting role in you being discoverable. So if you use the wrong category, your video might appear in irrelevant sections, making it harder for the right viewers to find it. So this is why this particular setting is really, really important. Now, as you can see, the first category here is autos and vehicles, right? Now, this one is best for car-related content. Yes, like those who do car reviews, car maintenance, you share maintenance tips about cars shows, anything that has to do with car or vehicles. This niche is the best niche for you. Now, this second category is the comedy category, which is this one. Now, this comedy is for funny skits, parodies, or humor-based content. Anything that has to do with laughter, you're doing comedy sketches, do all these memes, funny reactions. Please put it on comedy. Now, the third one is education. If you're in the teaching niche, like what you do, you teach people, you explain things, or your video or your content have to do with learning based videos, please select education. You share informative videos, you have courses, you have lessons, your videos are explainer content. Please let your category be education. Then the next one, as you can see, is entertainment. So this entertainment is basically like general entertainment, if that makes sense. If you do reaction videos like all these celebrity news, celebrity information, entertainment talk shows, this is the right category for you. Now, the next one is film and animation. Now, if you do short films, which is this one, if you do short films, right, animations or movie related content, anything that has to do all those short movies, this is the right category for you. So put it on film and animation. Then the next category, as you can see, is gaming. Gaming is just like self-explanatory. If you're into game related content, you play game, you do gaming tutorials, you do gaming reviews, this is the perfect niche for you. Then the how to and style, which is this one, is for tutorials. Like my niche basically is how to and style, because I teach people. Then maybe DIYs, if you're teaching people how to do something by themselves, then how to and style is the best niche. If you're into beauty, fashion, or educational how to, like you're teaching people how to achieve something, how to do something, like makeup tutorials, for example, you do CapCut tutorials, you often use this one, like you teach people how to achieve something, how to do something, how to do tutorials basically, then how to and style is the best category for you to put your video. Then the next one you can see is your music. It's self-explanatory. Music video or anything audio-based upload, please. This is your category. Like you do music covers, you do performances, you do lyrics videos. The music category is your best category. Then the next one is news and politics, right? So if what you share on your channel is like current events or commentaries, what is happening, latest news analysis, political commentary, then you can put this your category on news and commentary. Then the next one, as you can see, is this non-profit and activism. This one is basically for like charity awareness or advocacy content, like people who do fundraising, people who do awareness campaigns about cancer, about the girl child, about this, all of that falls under this non-profit and activism category. Then for people and blog, which is the next one, please, if your content is about personal or lifestyle content, you do vlogs, you do storytelling, you do live updates, then you can use these people and blog category. Then the next one, as you can see, is pets and animals. This one is anything animal related content. You post about pet care, you put funny animal videos, wildlife, how to take care of animals, how to train animals. This is the best and the right category for you. Put it under pets and animals. Then the next one is science and technology. This science and technology is for like tech or science related videos, like for those who do like app reviews, who do gadget reviews, who do discoveries, AI tutorials, all of those. You put it under science and technology. So basically tech related content, or science related content should fall under this science and technology. Then for those that do sports, this one is anything sports or fitness related should go under sports, like match highlights, athletes training, workout guide, all of that should be under sports. Then travel and events is just self-explanatory. Anything travel vlogs, events, or experiences, like you put your travel diaries, destination reviews, places reviews, anything that has to do with travel, please put it under this travel and event. So I hope this video helped someone. I hope this video helped you understand the best category to put your videos whenever you're uploading a video, or as you're going back now to change the ones you've already done. Please, I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it was, give me a subscribe. Okay, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in one of the videos right now on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.